Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, aka JSSugar21 here. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today we are going to be doing free samples, lots of goodies in this little blue bin that I got here. So if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. So for the month of August, I got some samples. Okay, so I got 7 samples. Today we are going to start with the envelopes and foil packages, and then we'll go into the boxes. So the first one is from CeraVe. So let's go ahead and open it up. First thing we got here is this stock card, and it just explains what it is, and it's the Acne Foaming Cream Cleanser, and this is what it looks like. So it's a cute little tube, and it's a pretty good size. It has 4% benzoyl peroxide, and it's an acne treatment, so that is pretty awesome. And it's 0.34 ounces. That's a very good size. Next up, we're gonna go into Social Nature, and let's go ahead and open it up. So inside it came with 4 pieces of paper. The first one says Sugar Break, how to enter. Snap a photo of you enjoying Sugar Break Resist. Post on Instagram, follow and tag. Take a Sugar Break and Social Nature. Use hashtags Sugar Break and Try Natural. Contest ends August 31st. Oops. Yeah, it's already September, so I filmed this a little too late, so I'm gonna have to film my September ones a little bit earlier. So I got these coupons. So I got a coupon. Oh, the coupon is still good. It's good until December 31st, and I could get this at any Target, and it's basically for, well, they have one for adults and one for children. And so yeah, I'm gonna definitely try to go find this in Target. It says find us in Diabetic Diagnostics next to pharmacy. Yeah. And then we got a $5 off coupon, which I don't think I'm gonna use that. I'll just probably use the free ones. And then of course, every Social Nature package gets a cardstock. And on the cardstock, it basically says, redeem your free product voucher at one of the participating stores near you. Rate and review your product on socialnature.com. And then join the hashtag Try Natural movement. Become a product tester. Browse member reviews. Get exclusive online discounts. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Third sample here is from Z Power. I already opened it up. And this is the Eau Thermale Avena Tolerance Control. It is Soothing Skin Recovery Cream. Let's see what it looks like. So it's a pretty good size. It is 5 milliliters. This is from Paris, I believe. Made in France. This is definitely made in France. It's basically a soothing skin recovery cream. Let's open it up. I'm gonna dab a little bit on there. It doesn't have much of a smell to it. It feels nice and soft. Ooh, it has a cooling sensation. It smells a little weird. Yeah, it smells a little weird, but not too bad. But it does feel very moisturizing, so that's good. Number 4, this one is from Sampler. And let's open it up. So inside this box, it was just this Snuggles, I guess, detergent. It is a in-wash scent booster. So it's not a laundry detergent. And it is for one load, and it is fade resistant, or fade protection and color run protection. That's pretty cool. Fifth up, we got another sampler right there. Use my handy dandy scissors. Maybe I don't need them. Probably would be easier to just, there we go. Okay, so inside looks like that. This is so cute. A baby Tabasco. That is adorable. I just want to save this forever and put it on my shelf. That is so adorable. I don't really care for Tabasco sauce at all. I don't care for it, but I know somebody might like it in the family. And of course it came with this. It might be coupons. And yes, save 75 cents off of one bag of Butterfinger Crunch or Baby Ruth Fun Size or Minis. August 31st, so that expired. And there's also a coupon in the back, but it expired. Yeah, I can't be waiting so long to open these up. I'm gonna have to do my free samples weekly because, yeah, I get coupons and then they expire and all of that. Number 6, I got this Unilever antiperspirant spray. And this is the third one that they have sent to me. I did have to sign up under my daughter's name and use a different email to get this one because you are only allowed one per household. Let's open this up. And inside it looks like that. It comes with a card basically letting you know about the spray, shake, spray, and go. And I might have received this kind already. This is the black and white, and it is the Ultra Clear 48H antiperspirant. Yeah, it's from Degree Motion Sense Dry Spray, and it is 1 ounce, and it has aluminum chlorohydrate in it. That's what it looks like. It smells amazing, and I love these. Ever since I got one of these samples, I switched over antiperspirant dry spray deodorant because I love it. It doesn't leave that white powdery residue on your clothing or on your armpits. It's amazing. Last sample of the day, Pinch Me, and it's my favorite color. I'm so excited about this one. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, I don't need scissors for this one. Look at all those samples in there. Wow, that's a lot of samples. So the first thing I see, I'm gonna get the card out first, is this cute little stock card. And it basically has the Purina Bella puppy food on there. Morsels in sauce. Now available at Chewy, Amazon, and Walmart.com. So this is the Bella Purina that they sent me. This dog is so adorable, by the way. And this is in the filet mignon flavor with carrots and spinach. And this is dog food. I guess you could give it to your puppies or your cats also. But I do have a Chihuahua. Yeah, I hope she likes this because she's a Chihuahua and she is super picky. So I hope she does like this. Yay! These are both by Sebastian, Professional Sebastian, or Professional Sebastian. One is a conditioner and one is a shampoo. Yes, shampoo and conditioner. So this one is the Professional Sebastian Dark Oil with jojoba and argan oil shampoo. And it is 50 milliliters. Look at how big that is. This is like a travel size. It smells so good. And this one is the conditioner. And it also has the jojoba and argan oil. Let's smell it. It smells very beautiful. Last but not least, we got the Eva NYC 10-in-1 Split End Mender. Has argan oil and plant protein. That is pretty cool. And I'm not going to open it up right now. I'm going to use it when I'm in the shower, and I'll let you guys know how I liked it. Alright guys, so if you like this video, don't forget to give me a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell right next to the subscribe button so you'll get notified the next time I post. Also, if you haven't entered my giveaway, go ahead and enter my giveaway. You have until September 31st. That's when I'll pick the winner. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.